The chariot floated above the ground until the day the truth was broken. This is a story of Yudhishthira. In the greatest war of Kurukshetra, Yudhishthira, the eldest of Pandavas, was referred to as the Dharmaraja because of his righteousness and truthfulness. His chariot always hovered above the ground because even ground decided that it couldn't hold the weight or bear the weight of his truthfulness and the pureness of his heart. But on the 15th day of battle, a strategic moment arrived. Krishna and Pandavas were deciding of how to defeat Dronacharya, the invincible commander of Kauravas' army. He was so strong-headed into winning this battle that they had to distract him somehow, but they did not know how to. So they planned something out. They knew that only if they can make him, Dronacharya, believe that his son is dead, only then he could be a little distracted and they have a chance to win this battle. Now what they did was, of course, they couldn't kill Ashwasthama, his son, right at that moment. But Krishna told Bhima that he could kill an elephant, and that elephant's name was Ashwasthama. After killing him, Bhima came and he shouted that Ashwasthama is dead, Ashwasthama is dead. But Dronacharya, of course, didn't believe him. So he turned towards Yudhishthira and he asked him that, is it true that my son Ashwasthama is dead? Yudhishthira first hesitated, but Krishna convinced him that this is something you have to do to win a battle. Now Yudhishthira told that Ashwasthama is dead, but then he whispered the elephant. Of course, when he whispered, Dronacharya couldn't hear him. So he actually believed because he knew that Yudhishthira is the only man who would never lie to me or to anyone because of his personal vow. The moment these words came out of Yudhishthira's mouth, his chariot glided down towards the ground and it touched the ground. This shows that even ground felt the truthfulness being fallen apart. It is because of he did not lie, but he did conceal the truth. So that is why he even broke his personal vow and he did not like it. And that is the first time his chariot touched the ground.